Jesus! Oh, boy. Boy, if I'd have held this damn trade, boy. If I would have held this trade, you hear me? Come on now. Oh my God. Jesus. I closed early and still made 1K. This would have been like 5 bands. But as a professional, man, don't gamble. I get my money safe. But good Lord, boy, I wish I had this on my futures account. I would have held this trade, boy. Oh my God. All right, so this is another one of my trades I took this morning. Literally, I'm just recording it. I got my blanket on, man. I ain't gonna lie, I was cold till this trade popped off. You know what I'm saying? I got a little hot. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it off real quick. Still got the blue light blocking glasses on. If you don't have any, you need to get you some, man. Got all this screen time we put in, but just want to break down this trade real quick, man, and then per usual, man, I'm gonna probably just start putting clips again, so like y'all can just see kind of my brain. Like I said, like I'm very calm, man, very poised. You know what I mean, when it comes to taking these trades because like of my mindset, right? Like I have a professional mindset. I'm not saying I'm the coldest trader. I'm not saying I'm the best. I'm not trying to be. I'm trying to be the best version of myself. That's it. You understand what I'm saying? So, but I had to develop this mindset over time. You can't get high on the highs, low on the lows. You got to stay even keel to survive long term. So in this trade, man, I actually took this on a forex pair, right? So on a currency. So I took this on two funded accounts. Actually, one of the ones the two, I put one video online, but I didn't put the other one. But two I passed right before I went on Forex Beginner Podcast. I passed one week, one the next week. So I just took these, took small positions. Nothing crazy. And I didn't take this on my futures account today. I wish I had. Because on my futures account, because it's not manipulated, I actually hold through news. This one I actually closed early. Still made over $1,000 a day. And I closed it early. I didn't even hold it to my take profit because it was CPI. So as you can see, this thing is pushing. You know what I'm saying? So I will hold this all day through futures because it's not manipulated. But with Forex, sometimes they'll widen spreads and do all that stuff. And, I don't play those games, man. I traded Forex for years, like two to 2.5 years before I switched to futures. So, I'm not really playing with that, man. I done seen too much crazy stuff. I don't trust it. But anyways, man, just kind of breaking this down, man. Top down analysis per usual, right? So that's crazy, boy. That trade went crazy. All right. So I had about 10 assets I was looking at this morning on my watch list. Saw this one, it appeased to me. Hold on, let me check my other one real quick. Oh yeah, that one didn't even. That one didn't even give me a trigger on that one. Hold on, y'all. I got another screen up. I got my setup across the board. You feel me? Yep. And that Swiss franc went crazy too. So boom. All right, cool. So I was on this, man. I was looking. I saw basically demands. I saw what I have a lot of my own lingo. So like a lot of this stuff, man, I learned. I've given names and systems to everything. So I saw two different types of demand areas within on the 1 hour. Came down on the 15. I like the breaker structure we have right here. I like that we grab liquidity right here as well. So I was looking for movement afterwards. So after we grabbed liquidity, we had a breaker structure. Had another smaller time frame, well, not saying smaller, but lower time frame than the 1 hour, right? More demands as well, so more confirmation. We had quite a few inbounds as well. Some that got filled, and then there was one that didn't get filled. And so I came down to the 5 minute. And then there were also imbalances and demands as well, right? Some support, right? But we're keeping this stuff simple. Like you don't have to complicate this to make money trading. Like it's not. People think you do. You don't. Actually, the more complicated you make it, the less money you make. So that's a lot of times why if you start to peel the onion back, you know what I'm saying, and get back to the core, you will make money. So boom. I always wait for that final confirmation. I was looking for it to hold a certain area. We did not break below. I don't know why my computer's lagging, but it is what it is. We did not break below this area. So this is what I was looking for to see if we were potentially on a uptrend, right? You don't know, you never know. But I was like, there's a high probability based off my back testing, based off my data, based off my strategy. Boom, we held it, came up, took it, was watching on the 1 minute just to see price fluctuation. Everything looked good. So the first pullback, I wanted to see it close above. We finally closed above here. So I got in literally 656. I took TP I took two, right? So both counts. I took one at 719, like 25 minutes. And then one was like in here, like 721 or something. Or one might have been 717 at the top. Because somewhere around here. But basically, man, again, I don't ever say what I missed out on because I followed my rules and my system. Like I said, if it was futures, I would have easily held it, but I don't play with forex, man. But there's an opportunity, I'm about to pass it up. And it's about as simple as that, brother. You know what I'm saying? So the main thing is, and this is the main part I want y'all to get from this video, which is why I'm gonna, put this online for you guys. So I also have this on my story on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. No, I'm not posting every daggone trade, but I put out, good value. I will start posting a lot more stories and just showing y'all, man, like, bro, like the life they trying to show y'all online is not real. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, I'm in a t-shirt. I think I got this from the Texas State Fair or something. Chevy shirt. Got my blanket on. Got my blue light glasses on, man. Like, I'm not in a freaking high rise, cranking keys, whatever. Like, this is where the work is done. Like, this ain't where the work done. This is where the game is played. But the work is done in the hours you put in before. And even down to this, right? It's great if I held this and won, which I would have in this situation, correct? On two trades actually. But what if I had lost all that money? And everybody afterwards wants to have FOMO and stuff, and they want to get emotional. Bro, I'm blessed to have made the 1K I just made literally in less than 30 minutes. Like, what job you can go to for 30 minutes and make $1,000? What job you can go to for a day and make $1,000? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't even know any. So, all this before 8 a.m., man, before 7:35, and that's cool. And that was not my money, bro. Like, so I'm not. That's like counting somebody else's pockets. You know what I mean? That's one of the reasons, like, I stay away from making a lot of money videos because people try to count other people's profit instead of focusing on what they're doing for themselves. But again, like I said before, I do want to show people what's possible, but I don't want to attract the wrong audience. I'm not here to be making a bunch of videos to have get rich quick people. This is not get rich quick. You can see this stuff, but this is years in the making. And again, bro, I'm still learning. I'm still getting better. I'm not trying to claim to be the best. I'm not the worst. I'm not the best. I'm me. I'm just me. Simple as that. We on our own journeys. You may be better than me eventually. You know what I'm saying? You may not be, right? But what is your version of better? So my whole point, this is why most of my videos focus on, psychology, mindset, and behavior, because that is, people don't want to hear it. People, these get rich quick, these young boys, these people think everybody's a freaking guru or whatever they want to call them, a furu. Sounds stupid, man. They sound dumb as hell, right? They think everybody's trying to just sell them a course or this, that, and the third. And number one, how you can get information without paying for it? Like, everything in life, you don't eat without paying for it. You don't have rent without paying for it. So they sound so freaking stupid. So dumb, bro. But you have to have strong discernment. You have to understand, like, bro, I'm not trying to pull up in a Lamborghini, y'all. I'm really out here, bro, working for God, bro, showing y'all what's really possible. You understand? Like, doing my work, man, that the Most High want me to do. I just want to be a light, bro. Whether you learn from me eventually, whether you just see, man, yo, like, James is showing me what's really possible, man. He's keeping it real. Like, he keeping it. It's not about being humble, but I'm just keeping it 100 with you. You feel me? Like, this is not something that you have to have a Rolex and this, that, and the third. Contrary to that, bro, I'll take profits and reinvest them. Why would I go spend them on a car? You know, understand what I'm saying? Why would I go spend on a car and not have the money? Why would I go spend $50,000 on some exhaust when I could invest that and my family can be set up for life? Like, my daughter's in there right now. My wife about to change a diaper. You feel me? Like, she could be good for life. Why would I go spend $50,000 on some exhaust tips or something that don't matter to me? You know what I mean? I done had 2 cars at one time. Well, a truck. I'm from the South, so I like trucks and stuff. But a truck and a car, And I realized I couldn't even drive it one at a time. Like it's just dumb, bro. Now we retracing a little bit, so you know it's gonna fit this whole imbalance. But man, like just keep your mind right. Don't ever count anybody else's pockets, man. Don't ever look at, oh, you missed out. Nah, man. If you stuck to your plan, you won. Money is just an after effect. Win or lose. I don't care if you won money. I don't care if you lost money. Win or lose, you won. It's as simple as that. Simple. So I just want to share that message with y'all, man. I'm gonna probably throw some footage on here at the end with a little music or something. I may not put music, man. I don't be want to deal with no copyright stuff. Like I said, trying to get value. So we'll see, man. But man, as always, man, make sure y'all check out my description. I have a lot of good things I'm working on right now that are coming out soon. I'm still, I think I have a spot or two. Yeah, I haven't. Yeah. Me and my group about to meet. So I got a spot or two for my private group. This is who I go over trades with, right? So like, if you get accepted, and it's application, bro. I'm not. This is not open enrollment. But if you work with me, this type of stuff I show you how to do. You know what I'm saying? This is I break down in depth why I took these trades, how I took these trades. I'm teaching you the concepts and the fundamentals. It's not a quick process. You cannot learn this stuff in you can't learn years in freaking days. Come on now. So like, again, I don't work with, I only work with so many people. Number one, you got to have work ethic because I cannot do it for you. So I got a few spots left, man. So if you're interested in that, man, click the link below to join the wait list. I'm going to be sending information out very soon for that. And yeah, man, I got some more heat coming, man. I got some more stuff coming for y'all too. So stay tuned at the next like 2 months or so. You know what I mean? 2-3 months, man. And I ain't going nowhere, bro. You know what I mean? I'm not going anywhere. Like, again, I'm not a trader, dog. I'm a man who learned how to trade. I'm big on personal finance. Always first and foremost, man. Because like right now, I just made it like the only reason I can even do this stuff, bro, I'm good with managing money in my everyday life. So like I don't overspend, I don't gamble, I don't do certain stuff, man. Like if I literally was bad with money, I wouldn't even have made this trade, or I would have made it and then lost it all. Like I'm not bad with money. So again, bro, I teach y'all how y'all really need to make money, man, on this channel. And so many people are just used to these traders getting all this technical shit and trying to show y'all 1,000 strategies, man. They're not even doing. They just making stuff up. I'm out here keeping it real with you. I'm like, yo, you need 2 strategies, bro. Like one really for real. If you confident, if you got enough assets, like this one right here works on multiple assets. Like this ain't even a strategy. This is market structure. So, that's why you see the screen ain't even marked up. Like I have another screen marked up in front of me, but this is market structure. This is when you see price move a certain way, and you like it's different. But you need same thing, man. You need 1 to 2 systems, and 1 to 2. If you got 3, that's even better assets to trade. You good. You're good. And if you got 1 system, 1 asset, or 2 systems, 1 asset, you cool too. So I don't want y'all listening to these bums out here, man. You know what I mean? Like I said, you don't gotta believe nothing I say. I could care less. It don't affect me because I'm really doing this. You feel what I'm saying? So, but I'm not asking for nothing from y'all. This all out of love. So those who have eyes to see and ears to hear, you understand? You can feel that strong discernment. You can feel the love, man. Hey, y'all for me. And the few bums, which obviously if you watch it in the video, that's already you. But the ones who want to get rich quick, whatever, guess what? They didn't click out the video because I ain't giving the hack. But little they understand, man. Bro, this thing will change your life, bro. All you got to do is change your mindset. So with that being said, man, if you like making money, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you don't like making money, don't subscribe. Till next time, much love.